Hey, welcome. Here's a quick tutorial for downward facing dog. So you're going to get started in tabletop. So for tabletop, you're going to spread your fingers nice and wide. So you're going to create an L shape with your thumb and your index finger. Your index finger will point towards the front of your space. Shoulders are over your wrists, hips are over your knees. And then you're going to curl your toes under, start to engage through your lower belly. So think belly button towards your spine. As you curl your toes under, you're going to start to lift your knees up towards the ceiling, press out through your palms, send your hips towards the back of your space as you start to straighten out your legs. Drop your weight into your heels, and you're in downward facing dog. So you want to think of creating a long line from your tailbone all the way up to the crown of your head. Release any tension here in your neck. Shake your head right, shake it left and up and down. And then think of turning the eyes of your elbows towards the front of your space. So the eye of your elbow, so just where your elbow bends. You want to think of wrapping your shoulders around your upper body. You don't have to worry too much about keeping your legs straight. If your hamstrings are tight, you're going to keep a bit of a bend into your knees. So you're looking for length in your spine more than you're looking for a stretch in your legs. Then you're going to take a breath in through your nose and then out through your mouth. You want to think of pressing the ground away from you with your palms and then bringing more weight down into your feet and then drawing your weight into your core. Neck is soft, jaw is soft, and then you can close your eyes if you feel comfortable. And then to come out of this, you're just going to gently bend your knees, come back into tabletop, uncurl your toes, come to sit on your heels, roll your shoulders back, close your eyes. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.